Every single day I get a message from a parent who says to me, Eddie, I want to send your video to my young children, but I can't because there's so much swearing in it. So I've made a bet that I'm not going to even be tempted to swear in this video. You kids, right, when you get up in the morning, instead of eating those cereals, I want you to just get up in the morning, have some eggs and have some oats. And if you buy the oats, make sure your mom buys the oats, like the steel cut, the big ones, or the jumbo oats. They've been processed. Like if you want to make it with a bit of milk, use full fat milk. And if you want to put some berries in there, put some blueberries in there, that's fine. But have that with an egg. That's your first meal. And then you find that you won't struggle when you get to school. If you can, learn to cook. I started cooking when I was 8 years old. My mom taught me how to cook. I just stand next to her, watch what she's doing. You can make yourself some sweet potatoes, have some chicken with it, have some salmon with it, have some bit of vegetables, season it. I've got so many videos that I show people how to cook. Guys, when you do that, you find that you're